Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called modular bill of material. A modular bill of material or modular BOM is type of bill of material and a critical element in defining the product structure of an end item. Modular BOMs define the component material, document parts, and engineering drawing needed to complete the sub-assembly. While the term BOM and modular BOMs are most commonly used in association with physical products, the concept can be used in variety of industry, example software or medical records. Modular BOMs are used by modern information system to serve a variety of purposes such as defining the component needed to produce a sub-assembly and providing cost information for each component and rolled up cost information for the overall sub-assembly. For option-based configurable products, example automobiles, PC, companies needed to plan every combination and permutation of option to ensure they could fulfill the customer demand. With a modular BOM structure, companies can plan the demand for each module independent of end item demand by estimating the popularity of the module sub-assembly. Thanks for watching. Bye.